closing, my mother asked me, did you submit your bid? Did you have to get into a bidding war? And it was like, no, this is just the price of the house. And there's no stress with it. There's no unexpected costs that come up, which is really nice, I think, for anyone these days. So for me, that was critical, just knowing exactly what I was getting into and that I could, be at a certain price point without any surprises. I'm Jennifer and I live in Nichols Creek. The most memorable part of my home buying journey was how easy it was. I had been looking at a lot of different builders in the Oklahoma City area. I think I submitted information on an online form and someone got back to me right away, and basically it was my dream house. Asked if I could close in 30 days and I said sure. And it was really easy. I purchased it without even looking at it in person. I'm amazed at how easy it was, how I didn't work with a realtor. I just went directly with Tabor. There were a few things that came up, and every step of the way Tabor treated me just as, as if I were a realtor myself, with full respect and transparency. It was amazing. Not growing up in Oklahoma, I grew up in California and then I moved to Minnesota. Feature I like is the storm shelter. I know a lot of people say that, but it's nice to have that built into the ground. I have a dog too, so I don't have to pull her into a pod or anything like that. If we need to use that, it's pretty comfortable space. It's awesome. Yes, absolutely. I would recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. My family's in California. They've not visited, only because I've been in the house for probably 3 weeks, but I'm pretty sure that once they visit, they might want to move out here.